Jan, what is House Bill 2260 and what are your thoughts on it?
The rights that are protected under the Kansas Civil Rights Law are protected in the state. It then provides that if it's a right concerning individuals other than those that are in that protected class by the state, that if someone has a religious belief that is in conflict with certain beliefs that are not protected with the Kansas Civil Rights Act, then at that point the person could, say an employee didn't want to hire someone who was, in this case, for example, a cross-dresser, because that's part of the testimony that's been presented. If someone had a religious belief, they had a business that they felt that they did not want to have that person, or due to their sexual orientation, didn't want to hire them on basis of a religious belief, then at that point, that person could raise their religious belief in a defense on litigation. The concern is, for certain groups, that sexual orientation is a protected group under the law in Douglas County. It was a protected group. Sexual orientation, gay, lesbian, transgender, and I've looked at that ordinance, but I don't have it with me. There's a whole list of cross-dressing was covered, I think, in the Manhattan ordinance that was then repealed. But anyway, it basically comes down to a statement in the bill that if this law were passed on the exercise of religion, that people could bring up their religion as a reason that they did not want to follow the ordinance in, for example, Hutchinson, Hutchinson's had the ordinance discussed here, but as far as I was thinking, Lawrence came in and they had that ordinance. I think the question is personal belief as far as religion that you have, should that be trumped by forcing people to then support a lifestyle that they don't support due to their religion as far as hiring? If you don't want to have someone in an apartment in your house, the question is, in Lawrence, you would be compelled to rent to a group that shared an orientation that you didn't believe, or if you didn't want to have them employed by your business. I don't live in Lawrence anymore. I used to when I was in law school at KU, and I don't think an ordinance should trump other people's religious rights that are protected by the state Civil Rights Act.